In this example we solve e to the power x minus 3x equals 0. First define the function. Differentiate the function. The derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Choose the initial approximation x0 equals 1. Substitute 1 into the function. The value of e is approximately 2.7183. Subtracting gives negative 0.2817. Now substitute 1 into the derivative. The value of e remains approximately 2.7183. Subtracting gives negative 0.2817. Substitute into the Newton-Raphson formula. Negative 0.2817 divided by negative 0.2817 equals 1. Subtracting gives 0. Now begin the second iteration. Any number to the power 0 equals 1. This gives 1. Substitute 0 into the derivative. E to the power 0 equals 1. Subtracting gives negative 2. Substitute into the formula again. 1 divided by negative 2 gives negative 0.5. Adding gives 0.5. The root converges to approximately 0.6191.